Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to scan a text in line. Now let us begin. For instance, I'm gonna go to a chat right here. And as you guys can see, this is the chat that I have done. Now let's simply say I want to scan a text. Right next to the meeting button, you can see something like this. That is screen capture. Click on it right now. Now all you guys need to do is simply capture a portion of the screen. I'm gonna capture it right now. Once you've done that, it's gonna give you a few options, like as you can see, draw, close, GIF and others. But right now all you guys have to do is focus on this button called as scan text. It's right next to GIF. Click on it right now. Once you guys do that, as you guys can see, the text is being scanned. And guys, this is it. Do note that you can also translate the text from right here. As you guys can see, these right here are the text. This is it. Once everything's okay, simply click on translate. You have the option to select any language of your choice. As you guys can see, I'm gonna do it right now. And this is it guys, this is how you scan a text in line. The process is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.